Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block YouTube ads in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For your information, Opera browser comes with a built-in ad blocker. In case it does not able to block YouTube ads, you can install a third-party add-on on your Opera browser to block YouTube ads. For that, first open Opera browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select extensions and then click on this one extensions option. Now in the left pane click on this one get more extensions link. In a new tab of the extensions, under search box click and type add guard. In the drop down menu click on this one add guard option. Now click on this one button add to Opera. This will download and install add guard extension on your Opera browser, and after that it will update with the latest definitions of the add guard. Now it is downloading latest database. Once ad block add guard gets installed, open YouTube and watch any video. You will not see any ads.